Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is practice test number 13. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching HVAC TruePrep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 1. Water heater installation requirements. Relative to sizing, relief valves, drain pans, and scald protection must be in accordance with the A. International Plumbing Code, B. International Mechanical Code, C. International Fuel Gas Code, D. International Builders Code. The correct answer is A. International Plumbing Code. Explanation. Water heaters are a key part of a building's plumbing system. Therefore, all safety and installation requirements, including sizing, drain pans, and relief valves, are governed by the International Plumbing Code, IPC, to ensure safe and correct operation. Question 2. What types of pumps are used for the circulation of cooling tower water? A. Condensate, GEC, vacuum, C. Centrifugal, D. Centripetal. The correct answer is C. Centrifugal. Explanation. Centrifugal pumps are the standard for circulating cooling tower water. Their design is highly efficient for moving large volumes of water at a moderate pressure, which is exactly what is needed for the continuous flow of a cooling tower system. Question 3. The blank space has jurisdiction over heat exchange equipment that contains a refrigerant which is flammable, combustible, or hazardous. A. International Fuel Gas Code, B. International Fire Code, C. International Mechanical Code, D. International Building Code. The correct answer is B. International Fire Code. Explanation. The International Fire Code, IFC, regulates equipment with hazardous substances. Because some refrigerants are flammable or toxic, their use in heat exchange equipment falls under the IFC's jurisdiction to prevent fires, explosions, and other safety hazards. Question 4. Psychrometry is the science and practice of air, blank space, and their control. A. Pressures, B. Mixtures, C. Diffusions, D. Distributions. The correct answer is B. Mixtures. Explanation. Psychrometry is the study of the properties of moist air. It's the science that deals with the thermodynamic properties of air-vapor mixtures, which is crucial for controlling temperature and humidity in HVAC applications. Question 5. In practice, dehumidifiers exhibit process air dry bulb temperature increases that typically range from slightly over 1 to 2 times that associated with the heat of condensation alone. The entire heat, including the heat of condensation, is termed the heat of blank space. A. Adsorption, B. Sorption, C. Absorption, D. Exothermic. The correct answer is B. Sorption. Explanation. The process of a desiccant removing moisture from the air releases heat. The total heat released, which includes both the latent heat from condensation and the heat from the desiccant's internal processes, is collectively referred to as the heat of sorption. Question 6. What type of capacitor is used as a start capacitor with a compressor motor? A. Mica, B. Electrolytic, C. Paper, D. Ceramic. The correct answer is B, electrolytic. Explanation: electrolytic capacitors are used as start capacitors because they can store a large amount of charge. This provides the necessary high-torque starting current to overcome the inertia of a large motor, such as a compressor, allowing it to begin operation. Question 7. Refrigerants such as sulfur dioxide and ammonia can bring about serious illness. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Explanation: refrigerants like sulfur dioxide and ammonia are highly toxic. Exposure to them can cause severe respiratory issues and chemical burns, which is why they are used only in controlled industrial settings. Question 8. In three-phase motors, voltage unbalances can be caused by an open delta transformer system. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Explanation: an open delta transformer system uses only 2 transformers instead of 3, which can result in a voltage unbalance. This unbalance can cause a three-phase motor to run inefficiently, overheat, and fail prematurely. Question 9. Finding the size of a start capacitor can be done by A. Using a voltmeter, B. Using an ammeter, C. Using an ohmmeter, D. Using a clamp-on meter. The correct answer is C. Using an ohmmeter. Explanation: while a dedicated capacitance meter is ideal, an ohmmeter can be used to check a capacitor's functionality and approximate size. By measuring the resistance during its charge/discharge cycle, a technician can determine if the capacitor is working correctly. Question 10. One of the quickest ways to troubleshoot a motor is to A. Use a clamp-on meter, B. Use a voltmeter, C. Use an ohmmeter, D. Check out symptoms and possible causes chart. The correct answer is D. Check out symptoms and possible causes chart. Explanation: the fastest way to start diagnosing a motor problem is to use a troubleshooting chart. This allows a technician to match observed symptoms, e.g. humming, no start, to a list of potential causes, which quickly narrows down the possible issues and saves diagnostic time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.